How do you tell whether a performance issue is PPC related or caused by factors like listing quality, pricing, or inventory? So the way how we are going to tell this, I actually would assume right away that it is a non-PPC issue rather than a PPC issue. Why? Because, Amazon ads or ads in general are just going to generate traffic. So they are bringing traffic to one specific, either landing page, either in this case, Amazon listing. Now, if you already brought traffic and the listing is not converting, usually I would look into listing quality, pricing, or you're saying inventory here. Yeah, it can be also inventory related. Clear example, if you don't have any more inventory or there is going to come up in 5 days and your competitors' product, they already have inventory, they can ship the same day, clearly they are going to win over you unless your product, it has something exceptional that the customer wants to choose, right? So in that case, clearly it is a listing, so it's a non-PPC related issue. When it comes down to PPC related issue, here we would be looking at, I brought already traffic to a listing and I see that the listing is not converting, or if it's converting, it's too expensive, then I would look into what are my competitors doing? Why are they successful? Why are they making more sales, right? But usually I would judge first non-PPC and then I would look into PPC, because most of the time what we're seeing is that many brands are still thinking of their brand as 6 years ago or 8 years ago or even 10 years ago. And they're just, hey, I brought traffic to my listing and it did not convert it. Right now, even I, as a shopper, going on Amazon, checking on products and seeing, hey, everyone just stepped up their game, right? So if my listing, it still looks like, not like 2 years ago, but like last quarter, and I see that my competitors already, they improved even their titles, their images, so they improved their listing, they are going to take away my market share.